Ready, set, go. All right, so the really important one we need here is the one we're going to be programming our Python in. And so this one is a website called Trinket.io. Trinket is a great site that allows you to log in with your account. If you go to log in, it'll give you a couple different options. You could set up your own email account if you like, or like I was saying before, to kind of make this easier and more accessible, all you really need is your Google account in order to sign in. Here I'm going to click here and it'll sign with my Google account. I'll try to maybe hide a couple of the accounts I have. And once I log in, and once I've logged in, it'll give me some of the previous ones I have existing. Here I'm going to go and actually start a new Python. But if you look over here, there's a couple different options. Some of them have keys that lock them. Don't worry about those. For the project we're doing, you can use just the simple version of Python, which is a version that's 2.7. And it's going to be completely fine for what we're going to build. There's lots of different examples and other things in here, but start off by creating your own Python container by just clicking New. And as soon as you start this up, you really want to give it a title and save it right off the bat. So we're going to call this a Python Adventure. And I'm going to go right from the very beginning to click the big Save button. And since we're here, I'll give you one little quick line. We'll say print hello adventurer. And now when we run this single line of code, it should show up over here. It's powered by Trinket. And this is going to be where we're going to house this and play our game. So be sure to save it as you go and move on to the next section.